Hello children, how are you all? Hope you are all doing great with Almighty's blessing. So today in our general knowledge class GK, we are going to learn few important vegetables. See what you are seeing in the table? Vegetables. In Tamil we say kaigarigal. Okay, shall we learn some vegetables name? Are you ready children? Okay, first I am going to teach you your favorite vegetable. What is your favorite vegetable? I will show you. What is this? Orange color. You learned already the colors, isn't it? So what is the orange color vegetable? What is this orange color vegetable called? Carrot. We can eat this carrot as a raw or you can cook it. What is this vegetable called? Carrot. Say it along with me children. Carrot. What is the color? Very good. Orange. Next we are moving on to another favorite vegetable. What is the color? First see the color. Very good. Green color. Raw mango. Do you like mango? Yes, I too like mango. Raw mango. Say loudly, mango. The next one. What is this? Corn. What is the color of the corn? Yellow color. Very good. Say it with me. Corn. And we are going to see another vegetable which is very expensive today. What is that vegetable? Onion. What is the color of the onion? Pink color, isn't it? Say loudly students, onion. And we are going to see another vegetable. Purple color. Or we call it sometimes violet. What is this vegetable called? Brinjal. Say it with me students. Brinjal. Now I am going to show you a vegetable which is rich in vitamin, protein, etc. What is this called? Drumstick. Drumstick. Drumsticks. I am holding two. So, drumsticks. Now, I am going to show you. What is this? Capsicum. Red color capsicum. Say it with me students. Red color capsicum. Now, I am going to show you one more capsicum. See? What's the difference? The name is same, capsicum. It is also called capsicum, but it is green color capsicum. Say it with me students, capsicum. Now I am going to show you, see how nice it is. What is this? Garlic. What is this? Garlic. It is called as poor man antiseptic. Garlic. The vegetable called cabbage. Leafy vegetable. Why? Because it is covered with leaf. Leafy vegetable. Cabbage. What is this children? It looks white in color. It is called radish. See, it is called radish. Now I am going to show you one more vegetable, gourd. There are two types of gourd, bitter gourd, bottle gourd. So we call it as gourd. Say it with me students, gourd. So children, look at the table. Now I am going to teach you one more time. Carrots. Say it with me, carrots. And this is gourd. Brinjals. Why I am saying brinjals? More than one you have to add yes and say brinjals. Capsicums. Say it with me. Capsicums. This is green color and this is red color. So both are capsicums. And what is this? Onions. Say loudly, students. Onions. What is this? Very good. Cabbage. Say it with me. Cabbage. And what is this? The yellow color vegetable? Corn. Say it with me. Corn. The one which is in green color is called mango. Raw mango. And the white one, look very nice, isn't it? You go to your kitchen and search for this. This is called garlic. Say it with me, cuties. Garlic. And this is called drumstick. Very rich in iron. Drumstick. And what is the white one? Yes, very good. Radish. Radish. So, cuties, hope you have understood the vegetables name. You have to take lot of vegetable in your food. It gives us strength and immunity power. Don't avoid vegetables and don't waste food. Now I am going to show you some real vegetables for you. Children, now I am going to show you some real vegetables. So, are you all ready? Okay. See, I am showing tomatoes. In one, it is called as tomato. In two, it is called as tomatoes. It is red in color. Tomatoes. As I already show you, the plastic garlic, isn't it? Toy garlic. So, see here, the real garlic. Say it with me, garlic. And what is this, children? It is green in color, so long. Chili. Green chili. Say it with me. Green chili. See. Green chili. Students, I am showing two chili. So it is called as chilies. You are learning color, vegetable names, and in young age itself you are learning the plural forms. So say it with me, chilies. Now I am going to show you two vegetables. What is this? Brinjal. See, it has a crown. Brinjals. Because I am having two. Brinjals. What is the color? Violet color. And now I am going to show you your favorite vegetable. Potato. See, round in shape. Potato. Brown in color. Say it with me. Potatoes. So children, now I am going to show you onions. See, onions. It is very expensive. Onions. Say it with me. Onions. And what is this? I show you in two colors, isn't it? One is green and one is red. What is this called? Capsicum. Say it with me, children. Capsicum. What is the color? Green color capsicum. What is this? Very good. Radish. Radish. What is the color? White color. Radish. See? Orange color. Carrots. 1, 2. So, carrots. What is the color? Orange. See here? Cucumber. We can eat it as a raw vegetable. Cucumber. Very highly watered vegetable. Say it with me. Cucumber. What is this, children? Ginger. Say it with me. Ginger. Brown color. Ginger. Now I am going to show you some leaf. See this leaf. What is this? Curry leaf. It adds flavor to our food. A smell. It gives smell to your food. Say it with me. Curry leaf. Now I am going to show you one more leafy vegetable. This is called coriander. It gives a nice pleasant smell. So children, go to your kitchen, ask your mom coriander leaves and smell it. It gives a nice smell. It add a pleasant smell to our food. It enhances the taste of our food. So children, say coriander leaves. Coriander. So children, don't avoid these vegetables in your daily food. Eat plenty of vegetables. Drink lots of water. Now rush and take your GK textbook. Then this is your GK textbook. Then now take page number 6. Vegetables. It is on your page number 6 in your general knowledge textbook. Say it with me. Cauliflower. It looks like a flower, isn't it? So cauliflower. Brinjal. Tomato. Why this boy is crying? Yes, he has eaten this chilli. It is so hot. So he is crying. Chilli. Children, here hot means spicy. Very spicy this chilli. So only the boy is crying. Say it with me. Chilli. What is this? Potato. Cucumber. Radish. Cabbage. Got sweet potato. Carrot. Onion. Lady's finger. Capsicum. Peas. Ginger. Bitter gourd. Don't avoid this vegetable too. See, this girl is eating bitter gourd. You have to taste this vegetable also. Spinach, very rich in iron. It is a leafy vegetable. Spinach. Beetroot. Coriander leaves. Pumpkin. So children, see above, there are so many Anna Akkas are eating vegetables. So you have to eat vegetables daily. We must eat vegetables daily. Most vegetables are cooked and some are eaten raw. As I already said, carrot can be eaten raw. Vegetables must be washed before use. Before using, you have to wash your vegetables. Vegetables keep us healthy and strong. We also make soups and salads from vegetables. Some vegetables grow on the ground and some grow on plants. See here, the brinjals grow on plants. Tomato is a fruit. See here, the tomato. It is a fruit which is eaten as a vegetable also. So it comes under fruit as well as vegetable. So students, keep in mind, before eating the raw vegetables, you must wash the vegetable. So don't avoid vegetables in your food. Hope you have understood. Thank you children.